Hello and welcome to this session, Learning Outcome LO2, Understand Vector-Borne Disease Transmission. Today, we'll explore how diseases spread through vectors like mosquitoes and ticks, uncovering the mechanisms that allow these pathogens to move across populations and impact health worldwide. Vector-borne diseases are spread by living carriers known as vectors. These vectors include insects like mosquitoes and arthropods such as ticks. They transmit pathogens from one host to another without showing symptoms themselves. Environmental conditions and human behavior significantly influence the spread of these diseases. Understanding these factors is crucial in controlling outbreaks. There are two main types of vector-borne transmission: mechanical and biological. Mechanical transmission involves the vector carrying the pathogen on its body. In biological transmission, the pathogen develops inside the vector. This is how diseases like malaria spread through mosquitoes. Each type plays a unique role in disease dynamics. Mosquitoes are the most significant vectors globally. They transmit diseases such as malaria, dengue fever, and Zika virus. Ticks spread Lyme disease and tick-borne encephalitis. Fleas and lice are responsible for the plague and typhus respectively. Each vector's biological features determine the diseases they can transmit. Several factors influence vector-borne disease transmission. Climate, sanitation, and population movement are key contributors. Warm temperatures and standing water promote mosquito breeding. Poor housing and overcrowding increase exposure to vectors. Climate change is expanding the range of many vectors. Prevention focuses on reducing human-vector contact. This includes using insect repellents and bed nets. Improved sanitation and environmental management are crucial. Public health education and vaccination also play vital roles. These strategies help control the spread of vector-borne diseases. Mosquitoes are crucial vectors in disease transmission. They ingest pathogens when feeding on infected hosts. Pathogens develop inside mosquitoes before being transmitted. Diseases like malaria and dengue fever spread this way. Their specialized mouthparts aid in efficient transmission. Ticks transmit diseases through prolonged skin attachment. Pathogens enter the bloodstream during feeding. The longer ticks remain attached, the higher the transmission risk. Lyme disease and tick-borne encephalitis are common. Ticks' life cycle enhances their effectiveness as vectors. Fleas transmit diseases through bites and contamination. Pathogens survive in fleas' digestive systems. Transmission occurs via bites or contaminated flea feces. The plague is a notable disease spread by fleas. Understanding flea behavior is vital for control. Lice spread diseases through close physical contact. Pathogens are usually in lice feces, not the bite. Scratching lice bites allows pathogens to enter the body. Poor hygiene conditions facilitate lice transmission. Typhus is a disease commonly spread by lice. Flies transmit diseases via mechanical transmission. They carry pathogens on their bodies from contaminated materials. Pathogens transfer to food or wounds upon contact. Cholera and dysentery are diseases associated with flies. Effective sanitation reduces fly-borne disease risks. Climate change is altering vector distribution. Warmer climates expand mosquito habitats. This increases the geographical range of diseases. New areas become susceptible to vector-borne diseases. Understanding climate impact is crucial for future prevention. Environmental management reduces vector breeding sites, eliminating standing water curbs mosquito populations. Proper waste disposal limits fly habitats. These measures are vital in disease prevention. Community involvement enhances effectiveness. Public health education raises awareness of vector-borne diseases. Teaching prevention methods is crucial. Community engagement improves compliance with control measures. Education empowers individuals to protect themselves. It is a key component in disease prevention strategies. Vaccination is an effective prevention method for some diseases. It reduces the risk of infection from vector-borne diseases. Vector control measures complement vaccination efforts. Together, they form a robust defense against disease spread. Continuous research enhances vaccine development. Vector control faces several challenges. Insecticide resistance reduces effectiveness. Behavioral adaptation in vectors hinders control efforts. Continuous monitoring and innovation are required. Addressing these challenges is crucial for successful disease prevention. Innovations are transforming vector control strategies. Genetic modification of vectors shows promise. New insecticides target resistant vector species. Community-based interventions enhance control measures. Ongoing research is vital for future advancements. Global cooperation is essential in combating vector-borne diseases. International policies guide prevention efforts. Collaborative research enhances understanding of vectors. Sharing resources and knowledge boosts global response. Unified action is necessary for effective control. Malaria control showcases effective vector management. Integrated strategies reduce mosquito populations. Community involvement enhances intervention success. Continuous monitoring ensures adaptability to changes. Lessons from malaria control inform other vector-borne disease strategies. Research drives future vector control advancements. Understanding vector biology aids in developing new strategies. Innovative technologies offer promising solutions. Collaboration accelerates progress in disease prevention. Ongoing research is crucial for adapting to emerging challenges. In conclusion, vector-borne diseases pose significant global health challenges. Understanding their transmission mechanisms is crucial for effective prevention. Strategies that reduce human vector contact and strengthen public health education are essential. Through global cooperation, innovation, and continuous research, we can combat these diseases and adapt to future challenges. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out on WhatsApp at 07484361688. We look forward to seeing you again at the next session. Thank you.